लेगा और नहीं लेगा।
Menteri Ketenat Social Welfare ubah Paul Lingdo hene kesni ulapan benar ya ke jing pelaj Paidbah ya ke Meghalaya Hospitality Scholarship Program jong ke Sorkar MDA ke bertemu bensai ya ki nong tere ki belapan tebet ha ketenat hospitality. Hapo kini ke program ke Sorkar Meghalaya kan ai jing kershan ya ke tuition fee ke ba shispa na ke shispa ya ki kena pule BSc but ha ki badan ha ke hospitality but hotel management ha ki jaka pule Institute of Hotel Management. Kindan baro shispa 100% ngot ki kena pule ki banyo jing bentoy na ke scheme ha kini ki sans number 1.
Entry into higher professional education in hospitality to guide and nurture youth for global opportunities and strengthen the state's skilled workforce in the hospitality sector. There will be 100% tuition fee support for students pursuing the BSc in hospitality and hotel management at IHM Shillong. Beneficiaries will be drawn from all blocks of Meghalaya. 55 students will avail of this free support from the government of Meghalaya.
Ka Federation of All